So, page 13. The fish eaters have been told in no uncertain terms that their claims to live 80 years, or their claims on behalf of the Persians to live 80 years, is pretty small beer, and their choice of dietary sustenance, bread, is pretty disgusting. They have to ask now, they have to ask p13 zoes. They have to ask about the life or lifespan and diet of the Ethiopians. Efer. And this is his answer. He said, most of them, this verb means arrive, at, reach. Most of them reach a kosi kai hekaton, 120. But masculine accusative plural, but some to exceed even these years. So on average 120, but there are a few that live even longer than that. So, of course, the men and the deaf have failed to point out that on the one hand, the majority reach 120 years. There's the word for eter. Sorry, the word for years, eter, neuter plural. But, on the other hand, some even exceeded, overshot, hyperbole is the word connected with huper balein, even exceeded tauta, this number. And as for sustenance, as for food, he said, we need to repeat that, he said it to be, he said that it was cooked meats and as their drink, milk, from which we get galaxy, the Milky Way. So gala is milk in Greek. So that's their diet. That's their lifespan. Genitive absolute. With the spies expressing wonderment literally concerning the years, concerning the number of years that the Ethiopian claimed his people lived. Rather than saying anything, he led them, he escorted them. It's a verb connected to hegemon, which is a leader. It's a deponent verb. This is a weak aorist. So he escorted them. It takes the dative. To a spring. from which apo plus the relative pronoun, definite article, ho, he, to, ton, ten, to, relative pronoun, hos, he, ho, hon, hen, ho. This is the genitive, apo takes the genitive, from which, having washed, they became, or they emerged, sleeker, shinier. Kathepe just means as if. As if the spring were, it's going to go on to say, because this is the last line of the page, as if, just as if the spring were, Eliu, of olive oil. So this is special magic water which seems to rejuvenate the body. So he took them to a spring, in which or from which, it doesn't really matter, washing themselves, they became sleeker, they emerged sleeker, just as if the spring were of olive oil. And that concludes page 13.